Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to use FanDuel Sports Network, your go-to streaming channel for sports talk, betting analysis and live shows. And it is completely free to watch with no subscription. Now let's get into how to use it. First, in order to do that, you need to go to your app store and download the app if you haven't. So go to your app store, then type FanDuel Sports Network on your search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that. So you'll see the install button right here. Tap on install and then open up your app. You can also watch it on your browser. Just go to watch.fanduel.com. Then you can also use it on FanDuel TV Plus app. It is also available on iPhone, Android, Roku, Fire TV and Apple TV. So once you've signed in, you'll see live now, upcoming shows and highlights option there. So you can tap any show to start watching instantly. You'll find daily live shows like Up and Adams for football, Run It Back for NBA and even pre-game betting previews. It is totally free with no credit card or subscription required. Even if you don't bet, it's still a great way to stay updated and enjoy daily sports coverage. And that is how you can use FanDuel Sports Network. You can watch it on the go, on your TV or in your browser, anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.